I'm going to be doing a quick Shein curve haul of all red, white, and blue themed items. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel, Styling Curves. If you've never been here before, I do plus size beauty, fashion, and lifestyle for curvy boss babes. So if that's you and you enjoy that kind of content, you might want to hit the sub button and the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Quick disclaimer, I am a Shein partner, a Shein gal, a Shein affiliate. You will see me modeling on the Shein.com website on their sales pages for some items. However, this video is not sponsored and I paid for all these items with my own money. Okay, so should we get into it? Without further ado, let's do this. I am so disappointed. This one, I absolutely love the asymmetrical design and the tie right here, but I got it in the wrong size. I ordered a 4X and I probably should have ordered my size, which was a 2X. I looked at the measurements, but this one runs big unless you're super busty. Like literally there's so much room in here. This is gonna fall off on me. I had to tuck it in so that I wouldn't fall out, just to show it to you guys. You can tie this on the side or in the middle, which I love. And I love the little ruffle at the bottom. I just love everything about it. Darn it, but I got it in the wrong side, so I'm gonna have to go back and reorder. Also, what's upsetting is I'm not going to be able to return it because I never iron anything. And the one thing I ironed something, I didn't realize there was something dirty on the ironing board and I got it onto the shirt. So I can't return it. So boo. But I do love the print and I do love where they were going with the design of this. I think it's super pretty. And then I also got these tassel earrings with the little rhinestones at the top and then the tassels at the bottom as well. This one I got in a 4X, which I think was a great choice. I probably could have gone 3X on this just because it's got so much stretch. It has a stretchy waistband and the material is super stretchy, as well as it has adjustable straps too, and I feel like it has a ton of room. I do like it. It's like a good length too. It's like you won't need to be pulling it down all the time in this. This one I ordered in a 2X, but it is just keeps coming open right here. I don't have the shoulder length like I did in the pink and green that I've previously hauled on other videos. However, still having that issue in the front here. I love the way it looks on. It's just going to need to be pinned or a cami underneath. But like I said, got this one in a 2X and I feel like it fits everywhere else. But it's just funky right here in the front. Now, if you're really large chested, it will probably fit you. I love the color. Perfect for the Christmas season that's coming up. And it did come in like several other colors as well. The print on this one, look at this. I love the contrasting stripes with the bird print. I think it is so gorgeous. I love the way that it draws in the eye at the waist and goes down into a flared tulip at the bottom. Little bit of stretch, not a lot, but a little bit. This one I ordered in a 3X. This top is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love. So I have a little bandeau bra underneath here. And then this comes in like, I thought it came in like 5 colors, but I picked the red and white. Oh my gosh, I love that it goes in a V and then it comes down here. Look how cute that is. Really, and look at that booty coverage. That is a lot of booty coverage. Oh my gosh, I love that these are thick cuffs here too. And that they're like a 3/4 sleeve instead of a full sleeve, and it's so light. And right now it's like 100 outside, so it feels so good. Oh, I love this one. I might go back and buy this in a couple other different colors. I love it. So I got this in a 3X. I might have been able to size down, but I actually like it kind of baggy, so it's kind of up to you. You could order true to size if you like it a little bit tighter, if you like it a little bit baggy like this, size up one size. I also got these adorable tassel earrings. They have like a big ball at the top And then I just love the way they hang. They're so cute. They look so cute with this. In addition to the clothing, I also ordered some accessories to go with this stuff and just some basic colors. So I ordered these shoes, which are just flats with the chains on them. And I ordered my size, which is a 9, and they fit good, except for I feel like my toes are ugly. So I'm gonna return these because the chain really draws attention to my toes. But if you have cute toes, they'll probably work for you. I ordered this, which I thought was so cute. I love all the bunched details, rouging or whatever they call it. I don't know if you can see that, but this is gonna go with so many of the blue and white and red things I got. Just simple. In addition to the red shoes and that white purse I picked up, I also picked up 2 other inexpensive, really kind of plain crossbody purses that are just really good staple items with gold chains that you can adjust. Very cute, super inexpensive, but good pieces just to have in your wardrobe arsenal. This jumpsuit, oh my gosh, I love this one. I ordered up one size, so I ordered this one in a 3X because there's absolutely no stretch and it's cotton. So I'm assuming it's gonna shrink just a little bit. So I went one size bigger, and that was a good choice because I have just enough room to move around, but it fits perfect. I think I'm gonna pair it with this. I got this at Target. I'll link it below the video. This is just such a fun staple piece to wear with gingham. So I wear it all the time with all my gingham items. But man, isn't this adorable? There is a little bit of space here, but I tend to have a shorter torso. So sometimes things are a little bit longer on the shoulders and in the bust on me. But if you have a regular size torso and shoulder setup, you're probably going to be set, and this will probably fit you just right. But I think this is so cute, and it's kind of got like a little cropped ankle as well. Oh, I love this. I can't wait to wear it. Besties, I hope you enjoyed that. That was such a fun haul. As always, the links to all the items, if you want to purchase them, are below the video. Thank you for using my links. That helps me support my channel. I get a small commission at no extra cost to you if you use them, so it's much appreciated. If something should sell out, I will try to put a similar item below. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah!